Tired of looking like you're video conferencing from the depths of the Mariana Trench? Well, ditch that potato webcam and unlock the power of your Nikon D3500. Today, we're transforming your DSLR into a high-quality webcam in just a few simple steps. First, gather your gear. You'll need your Nikon D3500, a USB cable, and a capture card. A capture card is essential for converting your camera's HDMI output into a USB signal. Your computer can recognize popular options include Elgato Chem Link for K or similar devices. Next, configure your camera settings. Set your Nikon D3500 to movie mode, then navigate to the HDMI output settings in your camera's menu. Make sure HDMI output is set to live view output and HDMI device control is set to off. This ensures a clean, uninterrupted signal. Now, connect your camera to the capture card. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI output port on your D3500 and the other end into the HDMI input on your capture card. Connect the capture card to your computer using the USB cable. Finally, configure your computer, download and install the software recommended by your capture card manufacturer. If needed, open your preferred video conferencing or streaming software like Zoom, OBS Studio, or Google Meet. In the video settings, select your capture card, as the video source might be listed under the manufacturer's name, like Elgato Chem Link. Adjust your camera settings, like aperture and ISO, to optimize the image quality. Good lighting is key, so make sure you have a well-lit environment. Experiment until you achieve the look you desire. And that's it. You're now streaming or video conferencing with the stunning image quality of your Nikon D3500. Enjoy those crystal clear video calls.